Locating the error condition. When you are new to the software, a long list of violations can initially seem overwhelming. A good approach to managing this is to disable and enable rules in the design rule check dialog at different stages of the design process. Now, it is not advisable to disable the design rules themselves if there are violations, just the checking of them. For example, you would always disable the unrouted net check until the board is fully routed. When a batch of DRC is run on the tutorial board, there are 4 minimum solder mask silver violations. The minimum width of a stripper of solder mask is less than allowed by this rule. This typically occurs between component paths. For clearance constraint violations, the measured electrical clearance value between objects and signal layers is less than the minimum amount of specified by the rule. To locate a violation, click the link in the report file or double-click in the messages panel or click on a violation in the PCB rules and violation panels. Using the violation details, you can establish the error condition. The image below shows that the violation details for one of the clearance constraint errors indicated by the white arrows on the 0.25mm text, indicating that this gap is less than the minimum 0.25 allowed by the rule. The next step is to work out what the actual value is so you know how much it has failed. Now you can decide how to resolve this error.